Well, hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make you some of my home style Jamaican style potato salad, alright? I'm going to show you guys what you're going to need to make this potato salad, alright?
Cause it's the Indian, just like a cocoon, girl, I wanna
You're going to need some potato. This is 2 medium-sized potatoes and they're chopped. Alright, you could use whatever kind of potato you have in your kitchen. It's okay. Just make sure you cut it up in enough size, you know, bite size, medium size, whatever, just to get it going. You're also going to need 3 eggs. Depending on how many people you're going to serve for. I'm cooking for about 4 to 5 people. Also, you're going to need some mixed vegetable. You could buy the frozen vegetable, you could buy the one in the can. This is the one in the can. If you don't want to do all of this, you could use carrots, you could use any vegetable that you want to put in yours. Go ahead. Also, you're going to need some onion. Also going to add some sweet pepper. This is the yellow pepper and this is the red pepper. Make sure that you chop it up real small because you don't want to have it chunky inside of your potato salad, alright? Also, you're going to need some paprika. When you finish off the dish, you're going to need some salt and you're going to need some mayo. You could buy any kind of mayo that you see in your supermarket or whatever you have in your pantry. Go ahead and do that. So let's get here we go, guys. I have a pot of hot boiling water. Make sure that your water is boiling. Do not put the potato in the water if it's not boiling, alright? So once again, this is 2 medium-sized potato. So you go ahead and add it in here. Just put everything in. Okay? And then you're going to put your eggs in. So you just go ahead and just put the eggs on top of the potato. Don't put them close together because you don't want them to crack while they're boiling. And then you're going to add some salt. A half a teaspoon of salt I'm going to put in mine. If you want to put more than yours, go ahead. But I'm just going to put a half a teaspoon. I'm going to let this boil and I'm going to let it cook thoroughly. And then when it's cooked thoroughly, I'm going to add all the other ingredients to it. And then I'm going to show you what it looks like. And then we're going to put it in a plate and then we're going to eat. So see you back in 20 minutes. So here we go, guys. The potato is cooked tender. You put that in the container. So first thing you want to do, make sure that you get all the water off. Then the next thing you want to do is go ahead and add your mixed vegetable in. Just like so. Then you put your sweet pepper in with your onions as well. So just put everything in. And then the next step that you are going to do is get your eggs in. So all you want to do is go ahead. You don't want to make the egg too, cut it small, right? So you just do just like so and drop it in. You have the egg here. You cut it in 2 even sections and you cut it again in quarters. And then you cut it again. So that means only you have 8 pieces. The next step you're going to do is add your mayo. Depending on how much mayo you want to put in here, I'm going to start off with about 3 tablespoons of mayo. So that's 1, and that's 2, and that's 3. If that is not enough, then I'm just going to go ahead and add some more. But just let's see how that's far as it's going to take us. So just mix that all in. So that's it right there. The last thing you want to do is top it off. So you're going to need your paprika. Okay? And just sprinkle on top lightly. Okay? And there you have it. That is your Jamaican style potato salad. I'm going to go ahead and put this on a dish and let you guys see what it looks like. So I'll see you back in 2 minutes. Okay, so here you go, guys. There you have it, your potato salad Jamaican style in my kitchen. I just went ahead and add a little bit of parsley to it. If you like, you can go ahead and add that. And so, guys, here it is once again, from my kitchen to your kitchen. Enjoy.